Hi, sir. In the part of 3D, this is our last class on the it's based on our 3D. Today we are going to discuss some questions which are not going to directly ask on the directly to the formula there. And today we are going to discuss problems related with asking the board examination. And then one of the things that in our lines we have seen that how can we find out the our image of the point in the line. Today we are going to do one question. If we have to find out the image of a point in the plane, then how can we find out? And also we are going to discuss with the with problems when our equation of plane passes through intersection point of the planes and it's parallel or perpendicular to a given lines. Then how can we find out the equations of plane? And how can we find out the intersection point of a line and a plane? Then again we have seen lots of look in the part of the 3D. The most important that is how can we show any 3 points are collinear. But sometimes it's asked problems in the board that if given 4 points, if we have to be so that our 4 points are collinear, then how can we prove that our given points are collinear? Then we are going to start with one by one all topics there. Just for example, we started with one of the question. Here we have a given, so that the point here we have 4 points, and we have to be so that all these 4 given points are coplanar. Then we start with so that the point. What we have to show that we have to show that the given points are what? It's a coplanar. Then we have 0 minus 1 0. First point is what? 0 minus 1 0. Then we have 2 1 and minus 1, 2 1 and minus 1, then 1 1 1, and then it's a 3 3 0, and it's a 3 3 0. Look, what we have to show here, we have to be so that the given in this point 4 points are coplanar. We have to show that what it's a point are coplanar. Then look, अगर हमें बेटा 4 पॉइंट यहाँ पे दिए हमें, चारों पॉइंट्स को हमें कोप्लेनर दिखाना है, तो हम कैसे शो करें कि गिवन पॉइंट्स हमारे कोप्लेनर्स हैं? द फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ऐसे किसी प्रॉब्लम्स में जब हमारे पास गिवन 4 पॉइंट्स कोप्लेनर्स हैं, then ऐसे किसी भी केसेस में क्या करना है? First of all, we are going to find out the equation of plane. We have already discussed that in our last topic that equation of plane passes through 3 points x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2, and x3, y3, z3. What is our equation of plane in the Cartesian form? It's given by in determinant form. It's what? X minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, and z3 minus z1. What is the equation of plane? Yes, it is given by x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, then x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1 is equal to 0. This is our equation of plane which is passes through 3 non-collinear points x1, y1 and z1. Now look, first of all we are going to find out the equation of plane passing through this 0 minus 1 0, 2 1 minus 1 and 1 1 1. Then what do we have? X minus x1 means 0. Y minus y1 means it's a y plus 1, z minus z1 means z minus 0. Now x2 minus x1 and 2 minus 0, what do we have? We have 2. Y2 minus y1, 1 minus 1, we have 2. Z2 minus z1, minus 1 minus 0, we get minus 1. Then x3 minus x1, 1 minus 0, 1. 1 minus minus again 2, 1 minus 0, we have 1 is equal to 0. Now we have put all these values there. After putting these values, now we are going to be expand this. After expanding this, we get the equation of plane. Then it's x. Then what we have? after expanding we have x, this is what, 2 into 2 plus 2, 2, we have 2 plus 2, then minus y plus 1, then getting this respective row and column we have 2, this 2 and again plus 1, 2 plus 1, then plus z, then it's a 2 to 4 minus 2 equal to 0. Now what we have? We have equation of plane is given by this is 4x, this is 3 minus 3y. Look, 3 into y, 3y, and 3 we have minus 3y and minus 3. Then we have it's a 4z and sorry, it's a 4 minus 2 we have, just write down 2z. 4x minus 3y, then what we have? It's a 4 minus 2, it's a 2z equal to 0. Now look, this is our equation of plane. It's given by, we are going to expand it. It's a 4x minus 3y, and look, we have done any mistake there because it's we are going to expanding. It's x, then it's a 2 plus 2. Look, we have done here one of the mistake that we have, it's a 3y, I have roughed up, it's a, also we have 3, then we can write down, we have forgotten this 3, I have roughed that, it's a 2 plus 1, 3, 3 into 1, 3 means it's a minus 3. This is our equation of plane, it's what given by, now look, it's a minus 3, then we have only 3 here, 4x minus 3y minus 2z equal to 3, this is our equation of plane. We have to be so that this given 4 points are coplanar. Now here we are going to find out equation of plane passes through 3 non-collinear points. Now we have to be so that these are coplanars, means all these are lying on the same plane. If these are coplanars, our 3 3 0 it's are going to be must satisfy this equation of plane if since 3 3 0 lie on the same plane, then it must satisfy this given plane, equation of plane, and we are going to put 4 into 3 minus 3 into 3 minus 2 into 0, then what we have, it must be satisfying this. After solving this we have to we get what, we get with 3 there, it's a 12 minus 9, it's 4 into 12 minus 9 and it's a 0. Yes, what we get? We get 3. Then the point A, B, C, D. Now the points given point A, B, C, D are coplanars. Look, these are our given points and our given 4 points are coplanars. Look, again I am going to revise that. We have to be so that our given 4 point A, B, C, D are coplanars. Then to show that these 4 points are coplanars, what do you do? First of all, we are going to find out the equation of plane by passes through 3. This 3 point, this 3. What is this? This is our 3 non-collinear points. It is passing through our 3 non-collinear points. Then what do we have to do? Then after making the equation, which is passes through 3 non-collinear points, then we are going to be we have to show that our 4 points are coplanars. Then if our given 4 points are coplanars, then what do we do? This 3 3 0 lie on the same plane, then it must be this satisfying this equation of plane. We are going to put the values there, then we get this is 3, then our given 4 points are coplanars. And look, after discussing that, how can we prove that this our given 4 points are coplanars? We are going to be take next question, one of the important question. What do we have? We have discussed that how can we find out the there. In our next question, we are going to discuss that find the equation of the plane passing through the line of intersection of the plane. We have 2 equations of plane here. First of all is what, 2x plus y minus z equation of first plane is given by 2x plus y minus z is equal to 3, and our second equation of plane is given by 5x minus 3y, 5x minus 3y plus 4z plus 9 equal to 0. This is our plane 1, this is our plane 2. Now look, what do we have to do? We have to find out the equation of plane passing through this given two planes and it's parallel to the line. Also it's given that it's a parallel to the line. What is your equation of line? Equation of line is given there. X minus 1 by 2 is equal to y minus 3 by 4 is equal to z minus 5 by 5. Now look, in the given problem, what do we have to do? We have to form a equation of plane which is passing through the intersections of plane 1 and 2, and also it's given that it's parallel to the line x minus 1 by 2, y minus 3 by 4 and z minus 5 by 5. Then how can we solve these equations? We have to find the equation of plane passing through the line of intersection of the plane 2x plus y and this, and 5x minus 3y plus 4z plus 9 equal to 0 and parallel to the line. Then first of all we are going to find out what? We are going to find out the equation of, look how we can find out the equation of plane passing through the two intersection point of the plane. याद करिए मैंने क्या कहा था कि हमारे पास कोई भी इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेन बनाना है जो इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट से पास करता है, अब पहले प्लेन को एज इट इज देन प्लस लैम्डा इनटू सेकंड इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेन को आप इक्वल टू 0 कर लीजिए. देन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेन पासिंग थ्रू इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ द प्लेन 1 and 2. What is this? Is what given by? It's a 2x plus y minus z plus lambda times this 5x minus 3y plus 4z plus 9 equal to 0. This is our equation of plane which is passes through the intersection of this given plane 1 and 2. Now we have equation of, again it's a given that, what is given that first of all we have simplified this, then we are going to discuss the condition that look we are going to take out common x there. If we take x common, then we have it's a 2 plus 5 lambda into x, then we have 1 minus 3 lambda into y, and other simplification what we have minus 1 plus what 4 lambda z, and this is what taking common, then what we have 4 minus 1 plus 4 lambda into z, and then the last what we have in last 2x we have covered all this. Then finally what we have, look we have missed by default we have forget that this first equation we have also what it's a, sorry for that, it's a minus 3. Then what we have? So we have also here it's a is equal to if we are going to be solved in the same way, just taking in the left hand side, then what we have? We have minus 3 plus 9 lambda is equal to 0. Oh, look this is our equation of plane which is passes through the intersection point of this equation plane 1 and 2. It's given that this plane is parallel to the line x minus 1 by 2, y minus 3 by 4 and z minus 5 by 2. अगर हमारी ये प्लेन इसके इस लाइन के पैरेलल है, तो जो हमारी इस लाइन का नॉर्मल टू द प्लेन है ये आपस में क्या होंगे बेटा? इसकी दो जो क्वेश्चन प्लेन है ये आपस में क्या होंगे? परपेंडिकुलर्स होंगे. इफ दिस आवर नॉर्मल टू द प्लेन इज व्हाट? इज परपेंडिकुलर टू द गिवन लाइन, देन व्हाट वी हैव? देन वी हैव इट्स a 2 into this, 4 into this and 5 into minus 1 plus 4 lambda must be 0. Then what we have? Since it's our plane is we have to be right, you have to mention that normal to the plane is perpendicular to line. Since our normal to the plane is perpendicular to the line, Then what we have? We have 2 into this 2 plus 5 lambda plus 1 minus 3 lambda into this 4 and plus 5 into minus lambda plus 4 lambda equal to 0. Now we are going to solve it. After solving, we have to find out what? We are going to find out the value of lambda, and putting the value of lambda we get our required equation of plane. Then it's a what? It's a 2 to 4 plus 10 lambda plus 4 minus 12 lambda minus 5 plus 20 lambda equal to 0. Then we are first of all going to get lambda, 10 lambda minus 12 lambda minus 2 lambda. Then we get here 18 lambda, and what is our constant part? 4 plus 4 8. 8 minus 5 we get 3, means we get minus 3 here. Then lambda is given by minus 3 by 18. What we get? We get the value of lambda is what? Minus 3 by 18. On simplification, what we get? We get minus 1 by 6. Now we get the value of lambda is minus 1 by 6. Now after getting the value of lambda, what do you do? Just we are going to put the value of lambda here. Then what is our equation of plane is given by? Then just we have to put the values of lambda what? Where? Here, or we can also put it there. And after solving this, we get the what? We get our required equation of plane. We get our required equation of plane. Then our equation of plane is given by, I am just going to put here directly. Then equation of plane is now given by 2x plus y minus z minus 3. At the place of lambda we have to put minus 1 by 6. 5x minus 3y plus 4z plus 9 equal to 0. Now taking the LCM, then what we get? We get is 12x plus y minus z minus 3 is equal to is not equal to minus 5x plus 3y minus 4z minus 9 equal to 0. Now what we have finally? Then we have 12 minus 5x, it's what? 7x plus y 3y plus 4y, then minus 5z and minus 3 minus 9 means we can take equal to 12. This is what? This is our what? This is our equation of plane which is passes through intersection of this plane 1 and 2 and parallel to our given line. What is parallel to the line? It's a then in such a manner we can solve our equations of plane. This is our second condition, one of the important today. Look, we have discussed two of the conditions. That now we are going to find out next problem. We have seen how can we show that our 4 points are collinear. Then we can see if equation of plane is passes through any point and parallel to any equation there, then look now we are going to discuss next important topic. What it's a find the coordinate of the point. Find the coordinate of the point where the line intersect the given plane. Now we are going to discuss with the how can we find out the intersection point. We have seen the problems where we are already find out the intersection point of given two lines. If we have to find out the intersection point of line and the plane, then how can we find out? And then find the angle between the lines and the plane. Also we have to find out the angle between line and plane. Find the coordinate of the point where the line. What is our line? It's x minus 2 by 3 is equal to y plus 1 by 4 is equal to z minus 2 by 2. What is our equation of look find the coordinate of the point where the line x minus 2 by 3 is equal to y plus 1 by 4 equal to z minus 2 by 2 intersect the plane. It's equation of our line. It's our line equation. Intersect the plane. The equation of plane is what? It's x minus y plus z minus 5 equal to 0. This is our equation of plane. Now look, we have to find out what? First of all, we have to find out the coordinate of the point of intersection. Then look, how can you find out the intersection point of the line in the plane? It's very simple. That again we have a line. First of all, we are going to find out the any point on the line. This is our equation of line. Then first of all, let x minus 2 by 3 is equal to y plus 1 by 4 is equal to z minus 2 by 2. Take its lambda, and now any point on the line. How can you find out the coordinate of the point? Any point on the line? It's a 3 lambda plus 2. Then what we have? It's a 3 lambda plus 2, 4 lambda minus 1, and 2 lambda plus 2. Now we have find out the any point on the line there. This is our the coordinate of the point on the line there. Now look, this line intersecting with this plane, then this coordinate must be satisfied with the equation of plane. Then we are going to put these values in the equation of plane, because our line and plane are intersecting to each other. Then this coordinate going to be must satisfy the equation of plane. And now what we have? We have 3 lambda plus 2 minus y means minus 4 lambda plus 1, and plus z means plus 2 lambda plus 2 minus 5 equal to 0. Now we are going to solve this. To solving, we have to find out the value of lambda. Now it's 3 lambda minus 4 lambda minus lambda plus 2 lambda. Then we have lambda here, and 2 plus 1 3 plus 2 5. 5 minus 5 0 means we get the value of lambda is what? 0. Now we get the value of lambda 0. Then what is our coordinate of intersection? Then intersection coordinate, our intersection coordinate is given by, it's a 2 minus 1 and 2. This is our first requirement, 2 1 minus 2, because we have to find out the what? We have to find here coordinate of intersection. Then look, we have to find out again here, find the angle between the lines and the plane. We have to find out the angle between the lines and the plane. How can we find out the angle between line and the planes? What is the formula between angle between line and the plane? Yes, it's given by sin theta is equal to a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2. What is our a1 b1 c1? a1 b1 c1 is what? Direction of the given line. What is our a2 b2 c2? Directions of basis of the given plane. Then direction of the line is what? Our it's a 3 4 2. This is a1 b1 c1, and direction of the plane is what? Our direction of normal to the plane is what? It's a 1 minus 1 and 1. Then so it's a 3 into 1, we get 3, 4 into minus 1 minus 4, 2 into this 1 plus 2, a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 divided by what? Under root this a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square. Then what we have? 9 16 4. 9 plus 16 plus 4. Then into also then what we have? Under root of this 1 1 minus 1. Then we get 1 plus 1 and plus 1. Then here what we get? We get 3 to 5. We get 1 here. And here we get it's under root 29 into root 3. Then our sin theta is given by 1 upon under root 87. Means theta is equal to sin inverse 1 upon under root 87. This is our required angle between the what? We can also simplify by rationalize root 87 upon, we can also write down root 87 upon 87. This is our look, this is our angle between the line and the plane, and we have also find out coordinate. Now we are going to move with our next important question is that what is it? How can we find out the image of a point in the plane? Because we have discussed the question that we have find out the image of a point in the line. But look, we are going to find out the image of a point in the plane. Find the image of the point. We have point 1 3 4. We have the point P is given by 1 3 4 in the plane x minus y plus z is equal to 5. Now look, in our it's our last question from this today topics. From tomorrow we are going to start with the LPP, linear programming. Then look, we have to what? We have to find out the image of the point 1, 3, 4 in the plane x minus y plus z equal to 5. Then first of all, let's suppose we are going to draw a rough figure. Let's suppose it's our plane there, and our point is what? P is what? 1, 3, 4. Just suppose from here we are going to be take P prime is our image. Suppose our P prime is what? Image of point 1, 3, 4. Look, always when we are talking about the image of this plane, then image of any point, then we are going to discuss with what? It's a always we are going to take a perpendicular there. And now look, it's a point is going to P prime, the image of the point with the in the line in the plane x minus y plus z equal to 5. Then we are going to find out the line equation of line. First of all, we are going to find out the equation of line, which passes through what? 1, 3, 4 and perpendicular to the which? It's a plane x minus y plus z equal to 5. Perpendicular to plane means what? It's the direction ratio of this number to the plane is gives the direction ratio of the our given line. Then what is our equation is given by? Our equation of the line is given by x minus 1 by this 1 is equal to y minus 3 by minus 1 is equal to z minus 4 by this 1. Now this is our equation of line, which is perpendicular to this plane and passes through 1, 3, 4. Now look, now we have a equation of line. Now we are going to find out any point on the line. Let's suppose we take lambda. Then any point on the line, what is given by? It's what? Lambda plus 1, then minus lambda plus 3, then lambda plus 4. Now after getting the equation of line, we have find out now general point. Again we have find out our general point on the line. If this point lie on this line, then it must satisfy it. Then we are going to put these values where? In the equation of plane. Then our equation now, if this point are lying on the plane, we satisfy our equation of plane, then we are going to put here these values there. And what we have? Now we have lambda plus 1, this is minus y, that means we have to change sign here, plus lambda minus 3, z means plus lambda plus 4 is equal to 5. Then we have 3 lambda minus 2 plus 2, 5 minus 2, we get 3. And we get the value of lambda is what? We get the value of lambda is 1. Now we get the value of lambda is 1 here. After getting the values of lambda 1, 3, 4, 4, 4, 3, 1, 1 plus 5 minus 2. Look, just suppose we have find out the values there, lambda plus 1 minus lambda plus 3 and lambda plus 4. We get the values of coordinate over what? Then we are going to satisfy. Look, one of the error what we have done there, because we have find out the perpendiculars of line. Then look, the one of the mistake is done by me. We have find out general point on the line. But look, this point on the line, we have to be this P prime. I am going to find out the general value what? It's this values remarks. If you are going to mind that, I am always that this is what? It's our midpoint of the given line. Then if we are going to find out the general point, then these values are not going to satisfy this. What is it? This is what? It's going to satisfy the what? Where we have to take the what? We have to take the midpoint of the line, because the coordinate endpoint on the line is above line, and hence we get this is image of this P prime there. This is a point It's a coordinate of what? It's a P prime there. But we have to be this point to satisfy the equation of line. Then we have to find out first of all what? Midpoint there. How can we find out? It's about lambda plus 1 by 2 means lambda plus 2 by 2. Then minus lambda plus 3 means minus lambda plus 6 by 2. Then lambda plus 8 by 2. Now this point, we have a point of this point I was going to satisfying the values of this plane. Then we have going to put the values of what? Lambda plus 2 minus lambda plus 6 by 2 and lambda plus 8 by 2 in where? In equation of plane. Now we are going to put the values in equation of plane. Then what we have? We have lambda plus 2 by 2. Then we have to change the sign. Then minus means we are going to be put here plus lambda minus 6 by 2 and plus lambda plus 8 by 2 is equal to 5. Now what we have? After solving we have 3 lambda is 10 minus 6 4 is equal to 10. Then 3 lambda is equal to 6. Then lambda is equal to 2. Now we get the values of lambda is 2. Putting the value of lambda in the where? In which? We have to put the value of lambda is where? To find out the point is what? In which? Here. To get the what? The coordinate there. Then about the coordinate of the point is given by what? 2 plus 1 is what? It's a 3. Then minus 2 plus 3 we get 1 and 6. And what is our coordinate? Is given by 3, 1, 6. Hence the image of the point is given by 3, 1, 6. This is our required solution to find out any questions there. I hope so all of you understand that. Then please revise all the problems. Thanks to all.